Have you ever wondered what the world would look like if the civilization of China had never existed? It's a massive thought experiment, but let's dive in. This isn't about erasing a country from the map today. It's about imagining a timeline where one of the world's oldest continuous civilizations never began. First, let's talk about stuff. Everyday things. No China means no paper, no printing press as we know it, no gunpowder, and no compass. Imagine Europe in the Middle Ages without these four great inventions. The Renaissance might have been delayed by centuries, or taken a completely different form. The Age of Discovery. Without the compass, sailors like Columbus might have never dared to cross the vast oceans. Fundamentally redrawing the map of exploration and colonization, the Americas might have been discovered much later, and by someone else entirely. Gunpowder's absence would have transformed warfare. European knights in shining armor might have remained the dominant military force for much longer. The rise of centralized states, often built on the power of cannons and firearms, would have been a slower, more arduous process. History would be far less explosive, literally. Now, let's think about trade and economy. For centuries, the Silk Road was the world's most important trade route, connecting the East and West. Without China as the source of silk, tea, and porcelain, this legendary network would never have existed. European economies, which craved these luxury goods, would have developed differently. The drive to find new sea routes to the east, which accidentally led to the Americas, would have lacked its primary motivation. The entire global economic system would be unrecognizable. What about food? Take a look at your kitchen. No soy sauce, no tofu, and no tea. Rice, first domesticated in the Yangtze River Valley, might not have become a staple for half the world's population. Many of the fruits you enjoy, like peaches and apricots, were first cultivated in China. Our global diet would be far less diverse and, let's be honest, a lot less tasty. In culture, the influence is immeasurable. Philosophies like Taoism and Confucianism, which have shaped the thinking of billions, would be gone. This would have a profound impact on the social and political structures of neighboring countries like Korea, Japan, and Vietnam, which heavily borrowed from Chinese models of governance, writing, and ethics. The world's artistic landscape would also be poorer without Chinese landscape painting, calligraphy, and its unique architectural styles. Geopolitically, the entire balance of power in Asia would shift. Without a central, dominant empire for much of history, the region might have been a mosaic of smaller, competing states. Perhaps empires from India or Central Asia would have expanded to fill the vacuum. In the modern era, the 20th and 21st centuries would be completely different. The Korean War, the Vietnam War, and the entire Cold War dynamic in Asia would have played out in a totally alternate way. The global political stage today would be missing one of its most significant players. So, a world without Chinese civilization isn't just a world without one country. It's a world where the technological, economic, and cultural development of the entire planet takes a different path. It makes you realize how interconnected we all are, and how the contributions of one culture can ripple across time to shape the reality we all live in today. It's a powerful reminder of the shared heritage of humanity. Thanks for watching and joining me on this thought experiment. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more. See you next time.